Hey everyone, this is Mr. Shaner. I'm not going to be in today, so I thought I would show you a few things on how to do today's assignment. This week we're actually going to be creating a newsletter and a newspaper. If you looked at the introduction page to week 9 and you take a look at it, you can see the style of publication we're making today. So that's our goal, is to make something that looks like this right here, kind of like a newspaper. And to get us ready for that, what we're going to do today is we're going to practice making tables. So if you take a look at the example, I want you to make 2 tables, each of them 4 by 1. That means 4 cells across, 1 cell down. And we're going to be using Google Docs. In fact, we're going to be using Google Docs for the next few days. So to create a Google Doc, you have to be in your Drive, and you have to hit the Create button, create a document. And today's assignment is pretty simple. You're just going to make 2 tables. To put in a table, you have to hit Insert, and then go to Table, and then go across 4 squares, so it's 4 by 1. Click on it. There's your table right there. I want you to just label them like Table 1 and Table 2, etc. And I want you to hit Enter a few times into each one. Put in some words, put in some pictures. Remember, to insert a picture, you have to go to Insert Image. And it'll ask you to drag the image there or choose an image to upload. So you can choose one that's on your computer. And it goes straight in like that. Put some words in, like this phrase here: the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy hounds. That sentence right there, that's actually uses every single letter in the alphabet. If you don't believe me, you can check it out. But that kind of is a cool sentence to help you learn your typing skills. So anyways, you're going to put in some more writing in here. Just type something out. Don't do this, but actually type a real sentence and put in some pictures. And there's another thing I want you to do with your table. I want you to change the color of the borders around the table. So just right click. It's kind of tricky. What you have to do is you have to get your mouse like right on the edge of your table so that it converts into this little double-sided arrow thing. And when you get your mouse right over the table like that, then you right click and then you choose Table Properties. From there, you can change the color of your border. So I need you to change the color of your border and change the thickness from like 1 point to 2.25 point. You can actually change the cell background color too. Let's just choose yellow. Okay, see, that's how it does it. So I want you to do that for your 2 tables. To do your next table, what you have to do is double click below your table. So see how I get right below the table here, and then I double click, tap, tap, and now I'm below the next table. Hit enter a couple times and then insert your next table. 4 by 1. I want you to also do this so that you can get some practice. I want you to type out a sentence like, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy hounds. Just like copy that and paste it a few times to get yourself a nice block. And once you get yourself a nice block, I want you to justify it, just like newspapers do. No, label it, of course. This is table 5. Highlight the text, and then click on this one right here. This is called Justify. See what it does? It turns it into a block. It turns your text into more of a uniform block, kind of like what newspapers do. This one's kind of weird looking because it's the same sentence over and over. It usually doesn't look like that. But you get the idea. That's how newspapers format their articles, is they justify everything. And then of course change the color on your second table as well. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to delete. Let's try that again. Table properties, and I'll make this one purple. And put some more pictures in here. That's pretty much it. I just want you to practice making several different tables, because you need to know how to create tables and put content inside of them in order to successfully create something that looks like a newspaper. So once you finish that, then make sure you just save it in your keyboarding folder, and you'll be done for the day. And looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. So have a good one.